The revived Acura Integra is a good car. It's true to what the original Integra was all about. Still, that doesn't mean the car doesn't leave people wanting a bit more. To that end, Acura is finalizing development on a version that is more in line with what people were hoping. Stay tuned, because coming soon, Acura is delivering the Integra Type S. The Type S moniker is applied to vehicles that get a performance and styling bump over the standard model versions. The name was first attached to the 1997 NSX Type S, which was a Japanese model that we didn't get here. Then we got the CL Type S, TL Type S, an RX Type S, and then another TL Type S. All were great and all featured nice performance upgrades over the non-Type S versions. With the upcoming 2024 Integra Type S, Acura is taking the powertrain from the Honda Civic Type R and putting it to work. This means the Integra Type S will utilize a 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing at least 315 horsepower and 310 pound-feet of torque. There will be a limited slip differential up front and a 6-speed manual gearbox to control the action. Acura is fitting stickier Michelin Pilot Sport tires to the Type S instead of the all-seasons found on the standard Integra. The fenders are puffed up a bit. The car sits nicely on its 19-inch wheels compared to the 18s that come on the non-Type S.
Timeout. Forgot to say one thing for you. Now would be probably a good time to go see what Acura Integras are fetching on the market, because when the Type S comes out, the base one or the regular one could dip a little bit in value, and it could be time to score one of those. Or if you want to see everything else that's for sale, head on over to AutoTrader and take a look. Click the link up there. And now back to the rest of the video.
And the overall styling might be more in tune with what some would like compared to the winged up party boy that is the Type R. Though that is now a bit more mature as well compared to the version it replaced. Still, there's a trio of exhaust outlets out back. Some great aggressive bodywork can be found hiding behind the camo wrap, and the cabin space should get a few nice touches to add in some sporting charm, but otherwise be left the same, which is fine since it's already a pretty darn good place to spend your time behind the wheel. It's exciting to see what this car will look like with the wrap off. It will be more exciting to see what it can actually do on the road though when it arrives sometime this summer. But yes, some of you still won't even be happy with this one. I get it, I really do. And like you, I'm still holding out hope for an even more hardcore Type R variant. I'd love to see something closer to 400 horsepower with the SH all-wheel drive system in place, or some true mechanical wizardry to make it work with a front drive version, but that seems unlikely. Regardless, the base Integra is a good car. The Type S looks pretty darn awesome, and I do believe there's still more room at the top for a rowdy Integra Type R. Either way, it's a pretty good time to be a car enthusiast, right?
Something.